Have you ever felt like life is getting out of control, no matter how hard you try? There is an intriguing concept known as the law of assumption that suggests that we possess the ability to shape our lives. This idea has been explored for centuries, but what exactly is it? And how we can use it to achieve what we really deserve? This is what you are about to discover. The law of the assumption is a powerful concept that can help you manifest your desires and achieve your goals. It is based on the premise that our assumptions about reality create our experiences. In other words, what we believe to be true becomes true for us. This concept was first introduced by Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the New Thought movement that believed that our consciousness creates our reality. He said, "Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and observe the path your attention follows." What this means is that if we want to manifest something in our lives, we must first assume that it has already happened. In doing so, we shift our focus from lack and limitation to abundance and possibility. This change in perspective leads to a change in energy, and this energy is what helps us attract our desires into our lives. To truly harness the immense power of the law of the assumption, it is necessary to understand its central principle, assuming that our desires have already been fulfilled. This goes far beyond mere positive thinking or visualization. It involves completely immersing ourselves in the reality where our ambitions have already materialized. By embracing and embodying this concept, we unlock the unlimited potential to manifest our deepest desires and transform our lives as we have always wanted. The law of attraction, another widely accepted philosophy, focuses on attracting what we want by aligning our thoughts and energies with our desires. The law of assumption, on the other hand, goes a step beyond mere attraction. It involves immersing ourselves in reality where our goals are already essentially achieved. While the law of attraction asks the universe for what we desire, the law of assumption confidently enters the universe where our desires have already materialized. And we can substantiate the power of this law with science. Our brains are wired to form patterns and make sense of the world around us. But sometimes our brains tend to take shortcuts that lead to cognitive biases. These are essentially mental errors caused by our simplified information processing strategies. Consider your own mind as a fertile garden and your assumptions as the seeds. Cognitive biases are the water and sunlight that reinforce these seeds of assumptions and allow them to grow into the plants of reality. For example, confirmation bias causes us to favor information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs or assumptions while ignoring contradictory evidence. Through the lens of the law of assumption, this bias strengthens our assumed reality by constantly searching for and confirming information that aligns with our assumptions. As we delve even deeper into the transformative teachings of Neville Goddard, we come to the profound concept of feeling desire fulfilled. This remarkable understanding emphasizes that our physical reality is intricately intertwined with our internal state, which serves as a mirror of our thoughts and emotions. Consequently, if we aspire to manifest changes in our external world, we must embark on an inner journey of profound transformation. In essence, we are encouraged to wholeheartedly embrace the intense emotions evoked by the fulfillment of our deepest desires. Even before they materialize into a tangible reality, emotions essentially amplify the power of our assumptions. They act as the fuel that propels our thoughts out into the universe, thus accelerating the manifestation process. For example, if we assume that we are successful and feel the joy and satisfaction associated with that success, our subconscious takes these emotional responses as proof of our reality, and then works tirelessly to align our actions and circumstances with these feelings. This emotional embodiment of our assumptions serves as a powerful tool for conscious creation. By harnessing the energy of our emotions, we unlock potential. As we allow ourselves to embrace and experience the emotions tied to our desired reality, our subconscious mind becomes convinced of the validity of our assumptions. This deep emotional connection strengthens the alignment between our thoughts, actions, and circumstances. As you practice incorporating your assumptions, always keep this quote from Albert Einstein in mind. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's next attractions. So let your imagination run wild and untamed. Allow it to paint vivid, vibrant images of your fully realized desires, and completely immerse yourself in the powerful emotions these captivating images evoke. Place your unwavering trust in the immense power of your assumptions and their remarkable ability to shape your reality. And be amazed as you witness the universe effortlessly mold itself to align with your inner state of being, the process of manifestation. When we talk about the law of assumption, a fundamental concept that comes into play is the principle of vibrational frequency. Just as a radio tunes different frequencies to different stations, our thoughts and emotions operate on specific frequencies that are in tune with our innermost desires. By consciously aligning our emotional and mental state with the vibrational frequency of our desires, we essentially become human antennas. These transmit our intentions to the universe. In this vast cosmic orchestra, our beliefs and assumptions compose the melody of our lives. They set the tone and rhythm, creating a unique resonance within the universe. This idea has been explored for centuries, but what exactly is this resonance, and how can we use it to achieve what we really deserve? Here, the law of your position comes into play. As we already explained, it states that our thoughts and beliefs have a significant impact on the configuration of our reality. In essence, what we assume to be true about ourselves and the world becomes our truth. If you repeatedly tell yourself that you are not good enough, or that you will not achieve your dreams, those thoughts become reality, and the same thing happens in reverse. This law is rooted in understanding how our assumptions influence our perception of reality. Instead of imagining them as a magnetic force that attracts things to us, he suggested a different approach, behaving as if our wishes had already been granted. In essence, Neville Goddard's concept is reminiscent of an adult's fantasy. His belief was that by pretending that our dreams have already materialized, we can bring them into existence. It's like taking on the role of the superhero in our own narrative. So the next time you harbor an important dream, try to behave as if it were already a reality. You could witness some incredible changes in your life. Consider your brain as a garden where thoughts act like seeds. This analogy goes beyond the ordinary and reveals the subtle and powerful workings of your mind. Sometimes your brain operates surreptitiously, much like effortlessly discovering your favorite toy, even when hidden contains a preferred thought. A concept illuminated by cognitive biases and the placebo effect. Think about the trust you place in medicine and how your brain's belief in truly remarkable action is often effective. What you accept as truth in your mind significantly influences your body and your life, a testament to your brain's ability to update its thoughts. Now imagine your brain as a magician within the realm of your mind. It has the extraordinary ability to manifest your thoughts into tangible realities. Immerse your mind in positive thoughts, similar to sowing seeds for a well-tended garden. On the contrary, do not let negative thoughts take root, and nip them in the bud as soon as possible. Focus on positive thoughts and see how masterful your brain is at transforming them into a captivating reality. Positive thoughts play happy melodies, while negative thoughts generate less happy melodies. According to the law of assumption, what you assume or believe to be true emits vibrations that resonate with similar energies in the universe. Tune your radio to your favorite station, and life magically starts playing the songs you love. Your thoughts serve as the driving force that guides you toward experiences that align with the vibrations you are sending out into the world. Start living as if your dreams are already unfolding. It's like rehearsing for the fantastic future you're actively creating. Make these practices a constant part of your daily routine and watch the magic unfold. The law of the assumption revolves around trusting yourself, behaving as if you have already achieved your goals, and staying committed to your dreams. Persevere and you will witness your dreams evolve into real-life experiences just as you imagined them. The most important thing is to remain flexible in how you expect your trip to unfold. Getting too attached to a single goal can lead to missed opportunities, so it's best to be open to surprises along the way. An action aligned with your goals is crucial. Actively nurturing your aspirations is like taking care of the seeds of your mind. Therefore, it is best to avoid wanting too many things simultaneously. If you try to care for several seeds at the same time, none of them will grow. Focus on a single goal, allow it to materialize, and then move on to the next. Above all, practice patience. Positive results take time to manifest, so enjoy the journey without rushing the process. Mastery involves actively living your own dreams, allowing for transformation. Don't hesitate to let go of doubts and embrace gratitude. If this video resonated with you, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message, and don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thank you for watching and for joining this journey, and we are waiting for you in the next video. Blessings.